बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अज़ीज़ तलबा, आज हम 10th क्लास की इंग्लिश में जो पोएम द रेन दी गई है, जो कि लिखी गई है W.H. डेविस की जानिब से, उसके हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को करते हैं। तो चलते हैं अपने लेसन की तरफ। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डज द पोइट हियर? The poet hears the sound of the leaves of the trees drinking water. The poet is taking shelter under these trees. Question number 2. What, according to the poet, is a sweet noise? The answer is, according to the poet, the sweet noise is that of the leaves when rain falls on them and they quench their thirst above the head of the poet who is sitting underneath. Question number 3. What will happen after the rain stops? The answer is, after the rain stops, the bright sunlight will make every dark and round shaped drop shine like pearl. Question number 4. How does the sun come out after the rain? The answer is, when the sky clears after the rain, the sun comes out with wondrous light to brighten up the environment. Question number 5. How does the light fill the drops? The answer is, when the sunlight falls on raindrops, they are filled with brightness. Their darkness disappears and they shine like pearls. Question number 6. What makes the scene lovely? The answer is, after the rain is over and everything is washed up, the bright sunlight spreads all around. Its brightness fills the environment with light and thus it makes the environment and scene lovely. उम्मीद है कि ये क्वेश्चन आपके पेपर में बहुत ज़्यादा मददगार साबित होंगे। क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स आपको पेपर में बहुत ज़्यादा मदद करेंगे। तो मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट लेसन में। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, अपने इस चैनल का भी, और दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।